In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your desktop wallpaper as well as your color theme. First, you need to click the Windows button, lower left-hand corner, then click Settings. Over here on the right is Personalization. Go ahead and click that. If you want to change your background image, you can select an image here. For example, I can click this one, the beach setting. You can see that I have a beach in the background. I can also select a custom image if I want to by clicking Browse. I'll click this image here, choose that. You can see that's set now. I can also choose how I want to fill the screen. Go ahead and select Span. You can see it's stretched. It actually fills all three of the screens that I have, and this is just one part of the image. I'm going to go ahead and set it back to fill. We can also select a theme. For example, there's a number of themes already here. If you don't see one you like, you can go click on the Microsoft Store and choose from some themes they have available here. I've already downloaded the bicycles theme, so I'm going to go ahead and click that one. Now, the theme is set, but if you'll notice, I still have my old background wallpaper. What I need to do is click this link right here, background, and then give it a minute, and it'll change to my new bicycle theme. You can see the new background. If I go back to themes, you'll see my color scheme has changed to the bicycle theme as well. If I choose flowers for a theme, you'll see my color scheme has changed as well as the background image. Now you can also select colors over here on the left, and you can change some of the colors. For example, instead of this red color, I could choose a green color. I can also set the color effect to affect the taskbar down here. You can see it's green now. If I turn it off, it turns to its regular color. Turn it back on, it turns green. Also title bars. Title bars affect only certain applications. It does not affect all of them. As you can see here, the title bar is green. If I turn this off, you can see the title bar is unaffected. Another thing I like to do is select the dark theme, because I do work in the evening sometime, and the darker color is easier on my eyes. And that's the dark selection right here under colors. I'm going to go back to themes. I'm going to go back to the Windows theme now. And go to background. And I'm going to select this image here. This is a nice digital computer display. Switch back to the Windows logo. And that's how you can change your desktop wallpaper and color theme in Windows 10. That's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up if it helped you out. Click subscribe if you want to see more. Also, make sure you check out the website www.the-nerdcave.com and tell your friends about me. I'd love to hear from them. Thanks for watching and have a great day.